Okay, so this is my third video. I'm gonna unbox whatever this is. Oh, left or right? Maybe left. I'm gonna get the left first. I'm gonna unbox whatever this is. So yeah, and we're gonna get I think this is L-DragoDestroy. Yeah. Kind of funny that he was on the left, and it's a left spin Beyblade. Yeah. So L-DragoDestroy. That's the Karatomi logo, but it is MIDFAKE. This one is heavy. Oh! It's a ripcord. This one has ripcord, not the string launcher. Yeah, this one is hard to get. I don't know why. Okay, so after struggling for a minute, I finally got it. Ooh. Final survive. Damn. So yeah, they said that the rubber for this is much much softer than MeteoL-Drago. For the mid-fakes, I mean. I think they made the MeteoL-Drago and Takaratomi the most soft rubber. Okay, so I haven't seen a left spin ripcord launcher yet. Not really a fan of ripcords. I like the string ones, string launcher. But yeah, they say ripcords are better than string, based on strength. Yeah, we're not gonna cover from that. That was bent too much. Wait, it's still in the... Yeah, this is too tight. Oh! We need to go under. Okay, I get it. Because I was putting it like this. Okay, we need to go under. I don't know if that sounds good or bad. I'm just gonna try it here. Like strucks too much. I'm gonna try it. I mean, that spins so good, unlike this one. It boggles and perplexes the mind. So yeah, we're gonna see L-DragoDestroy. Ever since I saw the show on Cartoon Network, I always wanted L-Drago. But when I bought... No. The rubber is not that good. I was scammed. Or maybe it's just I need to wear that out first. So yeah, these are the parts. It doesn't have the dragon like on MeteoL-Drago. I don't know if that's the standard on the original. So yeah, is this a ballpoint? I don't know. It doesn't look like it. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this here. I'm gonna put this on. This one is heavy. Too heavy. Does this work? This feels like it's gonna connect. Yeah, it does. But it's kind of bigger. Yeah, it's too big. Okay, so L-DragoDestroy. Got rubber and the metal. I want to use the absorb mode first. This is not the absorb mode. This is attack mode, right? The blue sticks. Yeah. Absorb mode. Okay, so we're not gonna put the sticker. Let's try out. I'm just gonna use the stamina because I don't know how to. Why is he moving like an attack? Try that. He got. That hit him too hard. He did not recover from that. Oh wait, so I'm confused. Do I need to pull this down when... Or it just does that when I launch it? Because he was on attack mode when I launched him. Oh. Okay. I used the wrong ripcord. Like, when I put him here, he was on attack mode. That's why I'm so confused. Maybe I'll go soft launch, so... Yeah, like that. He's just getting attacked. He's just getting hit by a truck. I'm gonna put this one in stamina mode. Okay. Now he's in stamina mode. We're gonna go attack mode. And he goes in attack mode. Can you spin still? As they say, L-DragoDestroy is trash, but we all love L-Drago, so we don't care. Okay. So I'm just confused. I don't need to switch this, right? It just works. Yeah, we're gonna try attack mode now. Because the spin steel doesn't work. He's too bad at it. Can black ripcord? It can. Okay. We'll go back to the fight. L-Drago lost. Wait, I'm just gonna try something. Can this work? It doesn't even reach. I don't know, I might break this. I might break my L-Drago. And I just bought this. Still for experiment stuff. We're gonna try it. If it can spin still. Rubber mode. It just got flinged. Dude. Okay, now we're gonna try all metal. I don't know if this will work better. I mean, it probably will. I just want to test it out. Okay, that was bad. Yeah, I'm having a hard time doing this. Go to attack mode, man. Okay, it hits like a truck, but not that stable. So yeah, if you're planning to buy L-DragoDestroy, if you don't like L-Drago, I suggest not, because he is not that good to fight with. I just love L-Drago, that's why I didn't listen to YouTubers saying that he's bad. But yeah, I still bought him. I don't care. We still love L-Drago. So yeah, as I've said, if you're planning to buy Beyblades, you can ask me down in the comments if you want the metal Beyblades. And yeah, maybe I'll see you in the next one.